Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations, My Solution with Anamika Tyagi. Let's start the video. As this is the second part of the previous video of the topic of circle. In this video, you will understand how to find out radius, diameter and the circumference of the circle. So please watch the video till the end. Let's take this question. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 4 cm is the first question. 3.8 cm is the second question. Let's solve first of all this question. To find out the diameter of a circle, we need to use a formula. Which formula is this? Is a diameter equal to 2 into radius. As we already have the value of radius in the question 4 cm, put the value. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius is a 4 cm. 4 2s are 8. So that will be 8 cm. Hence, you have understood that the diameter of the circle is 8 cm. Understand? Now let's solve another question. We will write the same formula for that also. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Put the value of the radius given in the question. 3.8 cm. 2 8s are 16, 1 will be carry, 2 3s are 6. 1 will add in that 7 and put the decimal place 7.6 cm. Clear? Now you will understand that. Hence, diameter of this question is 7.6 cm. Clear it is? Now let's understand how do we find out the radius of the circle if the diameter is given. The question is, find the radius of the circle whose diameter is given 9 cm and another question is given 7.8 cm. To find out the radius, we need to write the formula. Radius is equal to diameter divide by 2. It is just opposite the previous formula. In this, we will divide by 2. In that one, we had multiplied the radius by 2. Am I clear? Now do this one. Put the value of the diameter given in the question 9 cm. Divide by 2. When 9 divided by 2, we will get the quotient. 2 4s are 8. 1 will remainder. Put the decimal and increase 0 with that 1. So it will divide. 2 5s are 10. So it means the quotient will be 4.5 cm. Hence, the diameter of this question is 4.5 cm. We will do this one also in the same manner. Let's do this. Radius is equal to diameter divide by, or we can write upon 2. Now put the value of the diameter given 7.8 cm and divide by 2. What quotient we will get in this? 2 3s are 6. 1 will be remainder. We will put the decimal in the quotient. That will change into 18. 2 9s are 18. So we will get the diameter in this question. Hence, the diameter of this question is 3.9 cm. I hope you have understood how to solve these type of questions. Next, let's understand how do we find out the circumference of the circle. Here the question is, find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 7 cm. So for this question, we will write the formula circumference equal to 2 multiply pi multiply radius. One thing you have to understand, the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Both the value is correct of pi and that will never change. So we will write this value of the pi as per the asking to the question. Okay, sometime question asks to take the value of pi 22 upon 7 and sometime the question already asks 3.14. The value of pi need to put in the formula and solve the question. So that will depend on the question. Here in this question I am going to solve with this value of pi 22 upon 7. Let's do that. Here the value of, we will put the value of pi and the radius given 7 cm. As it is given in the division form, we can cross this number, that 7 will divide by 7. So 2 multiply 22 cm remain here. That will multiply 44 cm. It means the circumference of the circle is 44 cm. Understand? Now let's solve another question with the other value of pi. As I told you that pi has a two value. One is a 22 upon 7 and another is 3.14. So here I will choose another value. The formula will be same. Okay, so now write the value of radius and the pi. Here I will take in the pi value 3.14. Multiply, radius is given 6 cm. Here we will multiply, 6 2s are 12. So that answer will 37.68 cm. You can multiply in the rough work, then solve it. Hence, the circumference of this question is 37.68 cm. In this way, we are find the circumference of the circle, radius and the diameter of the circle. According to the question, we can change the place of this formula to solve the question. Okay, just do opposite. If the multiplication is given, you can do the division, so you can find another question. Okay, I hope you have understood. I hope this video will help you to understand the topic. If you like the video, please press the like button and also share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.